Hello, our little friends. Today we are on the farm. Let's meet the animals on the farm. Who is this? Cows. A little one and a big one. And there, it's a sheep. There, it's a pig. And there's chickens. And the rooster on the top. Maybe when we feed the animals, let's give the hay to cow or to the pig. Cow. Let's take the pumpkin to the cow. So yummy. Let's take the carrots to the sheep. Take sheep. Go next. Oh, it's a strawberry patch. Let's grow some strawberries. We need to throw a seed into the ground and water it. Some more water. And more. And more. And more. Oh, hello. Let's treat visitors with strawberries.
Yum yum.
How many strawberries do you want? One.
Hooray!
Oh, so bad. Hello. What strawberries do you want?
Yum yum.
Two. One. Two.
How many strawberries do you want? Four? Okay.
One. Two. Three. Four.
Go next. It's a pug. The pig jumped into a puddle of mud and now pig is dirty. Let's wash it. Put the pig in the bowl and wash. The pig is clean. Some water from bucket. The pig is clean.
Quack quack.
Duck!
Quack.
No! Why do you want to dirty?
Quack quack quack.
Okay, put the duck to the bowl and wash it. Then some water from bucket.
Quack.
The clean duck. Go next. Some cards. Let's see. It's a chicken. It's a goat. It's a little goat. We need to find his parent. Yeah. And there, little chicken. What's next? More 4 cards. Let's see. Pig. Oh, it's a sound of goat.
Wink wink.
This is a sound from pig. And this is sheep. Okay. This is sound of sheep. And this sheep. This is pig. And this is a sound of the pig. Yeah. And one more cards. Oh, it's a 6. Pig, rooster, And there, duck.
quack,
Collect. There. Rooster. Rooster. Pig and pig. Let's see the next. Oh, we need to build houses for animals. Take these details and these details like on picture. Please, cow, go to the house and sleep. What does a cow dream about? About his lovely cow. Let's build a house for pig. Hello, piggy. Oh, take these details, these, like on the picture, this one and this one. Please, pig, go to sleep. What does a pig dream about? About tasty cakes. Oh, it's a horse. Hello, horsey. Now we built you a beautiful house. Take these details, this yellow one red and one more red. Please, horsey, go. What does horse dream about? Let's see. About carrots. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Let's see on the next level.